Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at the version 3 of Leica M10 Monochrom recipe made by Mark G. Adams. Check out his site One Camera, One Lens for more recipes. If you want to know more about film recipes, check out the links at the end of this video. All photos were taken in Valencia, Spain with the Fujifilm X-T4, Viltrox 23mm f1.4 and TT Artisan 50mm f1.2. They are all JPEGs straight from the camera. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos like this for you to watch. Also, check out my other videos, lens reviews, tutorials and much more. And if you want to support me even more, check out my presets pack and links in the description. Enjoy!